go ahead and start? I wrote these up on the whiteboard, but my printing is poor and the size of the letter is small. But as a university professor, I just thought I would make it clear that this is a seminar. And in any good seminar setting like this, it's always good to have so-called rules of engagement. That comes from my Navy background. But I will give a lecture, but the discussion is part of the lecture, which the two of them combined together become a seminar. This is supposed to be an exchange of information. I consider you to be colleagues, not students. So I'm not talking at you, I'm talking with you. So if there's something that I'm saying, then here it says last updated December 2010. And yet this is the PowerPoint presentation, which also makes a reference to an information paper that was prepared by three of us, Robert Ward, myself, and Barry Greenslade, almost 4 years ago. Now, if this is the type of information that most people would gain by going to the IHO website, it's out of date. Let me give you some examples, very quickly anyway. At present, this is called S100 status. Well, it is not the status. At best, it's the development process, because if you look down in here, the active
commercial product software to produce a product.
I think maybe a short answer is the provision of technical infrastructure. That would be like internet, for instance. That's how you can transfer the data, say an FTP client or something like that if it's large. And then once it's delivered, and services to allow viewing, transformation, and downloading. Part of that could be a database, of course, like Oracle. Part of this could be GIS tools that are currently available, OpenGIS tools, Esri tools, ArcGIS, those type of things. I think that's what technology is meaning.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Can you go back? Can you explain step number 5, what is meant by develop a technical architecture and environment? Because I'm a little puzzled by why this step is after capture data sets in digital form.
Frankly speaking, I'm not sure. Yeah, I get this content from C17 of IHO. I will find the reason in the document.
Is this George Tesh? Is this his idea, I think?
Maybe one reason could be if you don't, let's say, if you don't have an idea what you would like to be provided in your technical architecture, you couldn't develop such an architecture. So that means you must have at least a bit of a set defined in advance before you develop the technical architecture.
That's in step 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one will find out.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
I will let you know